Rocker with Walker, check this out. We can see the volcano glow. This is at our place in Mountain View. Check that out. That is so cool. Whoa.
Can you zone in on it?
Sure.
Yeah, I want a picture of that.
That is crazy. That is so close. Why is it like that? Why can't, how can we see that?
It's squirting up in the air big time, like 3,000 feet.
I mean, it's like it's almost like a halo. That is crazy.
It's Pele's halo.
That is nuts.
Someone said Pele's angry. I'm like, what? She's just doing what she does, I guess. It's not anger.
That is so groovy. You want me to get a picture? Okay, I will. Yeah. That is Kilauea right there.
Yep.
Showing her colors right there.
Everyone's like, are you scared? I'm like, no, because we're on Mauna Loa.
Yeah, we're so far away.
There's a big valley between us.
Big valley between us, y'all.
Or something like that.
I'm not quite sure either.
Yeah, it'll take a couple years to build our cauldron.
Oh my
I'm gonna go get
goodness.
Andrew.
That's crazy cool. Are you gonna be able to see?
I can see it on the way out.
Okay. Okay, I'm kind of getting rained on, but oh well, it is what it is. It's a trip too, because there's like no stars in the sky at all. Crazy. I'm gonna zoom out a bit. Yeah, that's crazy. That is like so red. What a trip. Welcome to Hawaii. There's your view for the evening. Oh, kind of uneven over here. Yeah, that's a trip. I didn't know that we'd be able to see it from here. I remember when Mauna Loa was having a little activity, and we actually live on Mauna Kea. Mauna Loa is across from us. And you could see the glow down from like 13th Street, which was like quite a ways from our place. But yeah, crazy. Wow. That is just so cool looking.
It's scary at the same time.
Well, it is kind of scary, but it's way far away. It's super red. 23 miles? Yeah, but nothing's gonna happen to us because gravity prohibits that. Very unlikely that lava would go uphill. It wants to get to the ocean.
Okay, it's white.
Did you, what's it look like on your phone? Because you have...
I don't know, I can't really see.
It looks better on camera, don't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, now there's
Oh,
some
you
clouds
wanna take a
coming
picture for me?
through. That's cool. Look at that, Joy, because it's got like the clouds coming through on it. Okay. That is killer. I love that black coming through. It's kind of evil.
I can't see shit.
You can't see shit?
Oh, it's me. Turn around.
Oh yeah, that's so cool. Aloha. Enjoy your night. Ours is red, red, red.